So a couple of days ago I received a comment from a user saying this: mine is dropping the capsules tray down, doesn't hold them, so you can close it. So let me show you in this video what's going on and if you can fix this issue on your Nespresso machine. Okay, so shout out to VVRPNL who posted this comment and gave me the idea to show you the fix or this video. Yeah, but usually what actually happens is when you put the capsule inside the Nespresso machine, it doesn't stay fixed here like this one, yeah, as you can see, but instead goes straight into the deep tray, yeah. So it doesn't hold the capsule for the chamber to come and grab it. And I can show you exactly on this brewing head. This is the brewing head that sits inside the machine like here, and I can show you what's going on actually here. So as I said, this is the brewing head, and here is actually where you place the capsule. As you can see, if you put the capsule here, it will stay in place and it will wait for the actual chamber to come and grab the capsule and to put it in the brewing position. But what actually happens is that the capsule goes straight into the dip tray, yeah, and this is due to a problem in the plastic housing of the brewing head. So if we take a look really close here, you see this small groove, yeah, and this is the same also on this side. So what you see on this side is actually the same on this side as well. So with time and with wear and tear, you see here there is a small tab, yeah, plastic tab, or maybe it's better to see on this side. Let's put the, okay, cannot see it due to light, yeah, it's a harsh shadow there, yeah, but nevertheless here is a small plastic tab that keeps the capsule not going through completely and waiting for the chamber to come and grab the capsule. With wear and tear, with time, this plastic, by friction, plastic with plastic, will get completely cut off, and then you actually have a straight through groove that will not make your capsule stay in place. So now the fix. Unfortunately, you cannot create plastic. You can do it if you want something, but it will not be permanent. To use some super glue and other plastics to make a small indentation here, but I will not recommend. It will not be something you will have for a long time, but instead you can change the actual brewing head, and this will fix the problem. I know in some cases, due to the cost of one of these machines, doesn't make sense. So for some of you this will be a new machine, but for some of you, maybe if you consider buying a new brewing head, this will make sense. So this applies to almost all Nespresso machine, of course the ones that use this type of capsules. So if you have this problem, it's exactly the same issue. Yeah, just look for your specific Nespresso machine brewing head if you want to change it. So thanks again for watching this video. If you considered it helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.